Hi guys, it is October's Year of the Ear, and this month's theme is magic, which I am so excited about. So Year of the Ear is a Mickey Mouse ear swap where we make some handmade ears, or you can buy from a small shop and we send it to somebody else. It's hosted by Mary and Tony over the SisketEars, and this month we decided to do something a little bit different, which I think is super fun. We're going to be making ears based off of supplies that we receive instead of making ears and sending it to another person. So I received my package in the mail and I haven't looked at it yet, and I am going to have to make a pair of Mickey Mouse ears out of the materials that are in this package. And I just have a little note here from Melodie. She says, "Hi Jolie, I hope you're inspired by these materials. My vision is Pixie Hollow." I saw Pixie Hollow when I was in Disneyland this past winter, but I didn't go through it, but it definitely looked very intriguing. I'll have to go through next time. I think that's where you go and actually meet Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh. Okay, right away, look at this material that she sent. That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's iridescent, like pink and green, and oh my gosh. That is very, very Tinkerbell. Can't wait to use that. And we have some, oh, okay, we have some roses here, white roses, and we have some lace, some cord too. Okay, we have some more shimmery fabric. This is gonna be so glittery and pretty. Oh, and here is Tinkerbell. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. Pink and blue. We got a little sassy Tinkerbell on there. That's gorgeous, I love that. And I love too, there's roses on it, and she added roses to the package. Okay, so I have, this is definitely going in the front of the ears. And so far I'm thinking that will be on the back. The last pair of ears that I made for my Stormtrooper ears, I decided to do like a cardboard version instead of a sewing version. And I like it so much more. It's so much more sturdier. So I think I'm gonna do that again. And I'll see what I can come up with. So this is what they look like, and I'm not sure if this was allowed, but I did have a little bottle of glitter, and it sort of kind of matches the blue that's on Tinkerbell's dress and her wings. I tried to make the bow not too wide, just so that you could still see Tinkerbell. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this sequin fabric, and I think I'm gonna have to get some more in all different colors. And I will list all of the other participants down below, including the person that I sent my supplies to. So definitely go check that out. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a colorful day.